What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of tack strips extremely fast. Yeah, come to this spot right over here. Right where you see the nail at, it's nailed down here, it's nailed down there, and it's nailed down there. You can take this, and you do want to go directly under the nails. You don't want to go in random spots because it'll cause a mess. It'll rip off random pieces and leave certain pieces of steel stuck to the floor. But if you go under the nails, and you hit it with a hammer, a mallet, you'll be able to get a nice chunks of pieces up. But there's an even faster way than that. This tool right here, something like this, you can get it up even faster. Same concept, hit the nails. Go over here, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Thanks for watching.